Hey everyone, welcome back to class. Today we are going to talk about developing ideas related to example paragraph. Last time I mentioned about examples that are specific, examples that are real and solid so that you can prove to your readers that what you said in the topic sentence is true, is correct. So once again, you have a keyword in the topic sentence. We call it controlling idea or main idea. For example, my mother is patient. The word patient needs explanation as well as examples that are real to show to our readers that what I said in the topic sentence is true. Let's start with a paragraph here. My brother's game. My brother is an athletic guy. Of course, the keyword here is athletic. Athletic means the things that are related to the physical appearance, like muscular, look strong. And also, it is related to sports. Now, how can I support my claim that my brother is an athletic guy? Here is one example that I am going to use. He likes to watch sports on television, but he loves playing sports even more. Athletic is related to sports. Next, his favorite sport is soccer because it requires teamwork. He enjoys working with other players. You see here the connection between the third and fourth sentence. The last part of the third sentence is because it requires teamwork. And then the next sentence, he enjoys working with other players. There is some connection here. Next, he is in 2 leagues. One of the leagues is just for fun, so he can mess around with our cousins and friends. The other league is more serious. He has to keep himself in good condition. There are regular practices and they work on special plays. Basketball is another of his sports because we are talking about his athleticism. So soccer and basketball. He likes basketball even though he is not so skillful. He and his friends joke while they play and have a good time. He also likes swimming, but he does not swim in competitions. Mainly, he swims to stay in shape for soccer. Playing sports is the thing that he enjoys most. And he especially likes soccer because he feels happy when he and his team play well together. Now let's focus on the rhetorical, the language. Using examples as supporting details. Effective examples are specific and they relate clearly to the paragraph's controlling idea. Effective examples provide new information. They do not simply restate the topic sentence. So they do not simply say the topic sentence again and repeat the same idea in the topic sentence, but it really gives new information. Let's read the following topic sentence. My mother is a good neighbor. Now, read the following supporting sentences. They support the controlling idea, which is a good neighbor, by giving concrete, specific examples. She always invites people from our neighborhood over for dinner. This is about a good neighbor. The next example. Every year, she hosts a back-to-school party for the children on our block. Concrete and specific examples to show that my mother is a good neighbor. Now read these sentences which are not effective examples. She enjoys gardening. Of course, it doesn't have anything to do with good neighbor. The next one, she is a wonderful person to live by. No, it does not really show that he is a good neighbor. So once again, be concrete, be specific. An example often begins with the phrase "for example" or "for instance," and then followed by a comma. You read, "He likes to stay in shape. For example, comma, he runs 6 miles every day before work." Sometimes writers use a semicolon to connect a general sentence with a specific example, beginning with "for example" or "for instance." Our teacher is entertaining, semicolon. For instance, comma, sometimes he uses comic strips to teach grammar. Now let's practice identifying specific examples. What is meant by a specific example? Read the following topic sentences, then put a check next to the examples that support the topic sentence in more specific ways. You may add more than one check per item. Number 1. To become a good writer, a student should write often, and the most specific example is B. For example, she should keep a journal and write in it every evening before bed. Now you can read the other exercises here, and then we can discuss your answers in our Telegram group. The next exercise, exercise 4, we are going to make examples that are specific. Read the sentences below, underline the example, then revise each example to make it more specific. Number 1, I have a very patient cat. For instance, comma, she never gives up. So patient means having the character, the value, not to give up, not to easily give up on something. But never gives up is not clear. You need to explain it with a concrete and specific examples. In here, for instance, comma, she can sit in front of a mouse hole for hours. So this is more concrete. This is real. All right? Now we can practice with the other exercises and we discuss on our Telegram group. Our last exercise today is to write specific examples. Write 2 examples as supporting details for each of the following topic sentences. Make sure the examples are specific. In number 1, my friend loves animals. What are the specific examples? She always brings homeless animals to the pet shelter. All right. She takes care of several animals in her home. Yes? Now you can try to write your specific examples to support these topic sentences. Alright? I hope you learned something valuable today, and I will see you again in my next video.